The Joseph Drawer Store. Compact Utensil Organizer for Kitchen Drawers offers a practical solution for organizing your silverware effectively. Crafted from durable plastic, this utensil organizer is specifically designed for kitchen use. The space-saving design of the organizer ensures efficient utilization of drawer space, while the non-slip feature keeps your utensils securely in place. The sleek gray color and brushed finish of this organizer add a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. With dimensions of 4.33 inches in depth, 2.25 inches in width, and 15.6 inches in height, this rectangular-shaped organizer fits conveniently into most standard kitchen drawers. The Joseph Drawer Store Compact Utensil Organizer is meticulously crafted by the reputable brand Joseph, known for creating innovative and functional kitchen solutions. Each unit is carefully packaged in standard packaging to ensure product integrity during transport. This utensil organizer is ideal.
Drawing upon over a decade of experience in product marketing, I present a detailed review of the Joseph Drawer Store Compact Utensil Organizer, designed for kitchen drawers. Crafted by the esteemed brand Joseph, this utensil organizer is both stylish and functional, catering to a broad audience. The utensil organizer boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring a non-slip bottom to ensure stability within the drawer. The brushed finish adds a touch of sophistication, complementing various kitchen aesthetics. With dimensions measuring 15.5 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 2.2 inches in height, this organizer offers ample space to accommodate a capacity of up to 1 kilogram of utensils. Constructed from high-quality plastic, the Joseph Drawer Store Compact Utensil Organizer ensures durability and longevity. Its rectangular shape allows for efficient use of drawer space while keeping utensils neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether you are cooking.
The MadSmart Classic Large Silverware Tray in Premium White from the Classic Collection is a well-designed organizational solution for your kitchen drawers. This 6-compartment utensil tray is crafted from durable plastic, making it both sturdy and easy to clean. The non-slip feature ensures that your silverware stays in place and prevents unnecessary clattering. Designed by the trusted brand MadSmart, this silverware tray boasts a stylish brushed finish that adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen space. Its rectangular shape fits perfectly in most standard kitchen drawers, providing ample space to organize your utensils efficiently. Measuring at 1.8 inches in depth, 12.75 inches in width, and 15.8 inches in height, this tray offers a generous capacity of 16 liters, allowing you to store a variety of utensils without any hassle. The standard packaging ensures that your product arrives safely and ready to use. Overall, the MadSmart Classic Large Silverware Tray is a practical.
The Smurley Silverware Organizer is a must-have addition to any household that values organization and practicality. Crafted from durable bamboo wood, this kitchen drawer organizer is designed to efficiently store various hardware tools and utensils while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. One of the standout features of the Smurley Silverware Organizer is its lightweight and expandable design. The natural bamboo wood material not only gives the organizer a sleek and polished look, but also ensures its longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Measuring at 17.5 inches in depth, 20 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, this rectangular-shaped organizer provides ample space to neatly store your silverware and other kitchen essentials. The expandable feature allows you to adjust the size according to your drawer's dimensions, providing a customized storage solution, whether you are looking to declutter your kitchen space or simply want to keep your utensils organized.
Crafted with quality bamboo wood, the Purawood Large Premium Bamboo Silverware Organizer offers a functional and elegant solution for organizing your utensils. The natural bamboo material not only adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, but also ensures durability for long-lasting use. This silverware organizer stands out with its expandable design, allowing you to adjust its size to fit your specific needs. The unfinished finish gives it a sleek and classic look that complements any kitchen decor seamlessly. Measuring 18 inches in depth, 14 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, this rectangular-shaped organizer provides ample space to neatly store your silverware collection.
Whether you have a small or large utensil set, this organizer can accommodate it all with ease. Overall, the Purawood Large Premium Bamboo Silverware Organizer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Its sturdy construction, expandable feature, and timeless design make it a perfect choice for keeping.
The Made Smart Classic Mini Silverware Tray is a must-have kitchen organizer for efficiently storing your utensils. Crafted from durable plastic and rubber materials, this drawer organizer is designed to withstand daily use. The soft grip and non-slip features ensure your silverware stays securely in place. Measuring at 9 inches in depth, 12.75 inches in width, and 1.88 inches in height, this rectangular tray offers a capacity of 12.75 liters, providing ample space for your utensils. The sleek granite color adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. MadSmart, a trusted brand known for quality home organization products, delivers a reliable solution for keeping your kitchen drawers neat and tidy. The standard packaging includes one silverware tray, making it convenient to set up in your drawers. Whether you're looking to streamline your kitchen storage or enhance organization, the Made Smart Classic Mini Silverware Tray is a practical and stylish choice for everyone seeking.
The Rubbermaid No-Slip Large Silverware Tray Organizer is an essential addition to any kitchen. Designed with a focus on functionality and organization, this product stands out for its quality construction and practical features. Made from durable plastic materials, this organizer comes in a sleek black color that complements any kitchen decor. One of the key highlights of this tray organizer is its no-slip feature, which ensures that your utensils stay securely in place, preventing any unwanted movements or spills. The rectangular shape of the organizer allows for efficient use of space, fitting neatly into standard kitchen drawers. Measuring at 11.75 inches in depth, 15 inches in width, and 1.75 inches in height, this Rubbermaid organizer offers ample space to store your silverware efficiently. The product comes in a single-count unit packaged in standard packaging. Overall, the Rubbermaid No-Slip Large Silverware Tray Organizer.
The Umaleaf Bamboo Kitchen Drawer. Organizer is a must-have item for anyone looking to declutter their kitchen drawers efficiently. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, this organizer boasts a sleek, natural finish that complements any kitchen decor. Measuring at 17 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in height, this rectangular tray provides ample space for storing and organizing your silverware, flatware, and utensils. The polished finish adds a touch of sophistication to your drawers, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. What sets this organizer apart is its special non-slip feature, thanks to the premium anti-skid silicone feet that keep the tray securely in place. This ensures that your utensils stay put and remain neatly arranged at all times, preventing any unwanted movement or sliding within the drawer. In terms of durability, the Umaleaf Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer excels, thanks to its sturdy construction and high-quality bamboo material.
The Rubbermaid No-Slip Interlocking Drawer Organizer is a practical and functional solution for keeping your kitchen drawers organized efficiently. With product dimensions of 15.25 into 2.33 into 6.25 inches and an item weight of 7.8 ounces, this drawer organizer provides ample space for storing flatware, utensils, and other kitchen essentials. Manufactured by Rubbermaid, a trusted brand known for its high-quality products, this drawer organizer is designed to help you maximize space and keep items securely in place. The fact that it is made in Malaysia ensures a level of quality and reliability that you can trust. The Rubbermaid No-Slip Interlocking Drawer Organizer has received positive feedback from customers, with a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 1,657 ratings. This high rating is a testament to the product's durability, functionality, and overall customer satisfaction. In terms of product features, this organizer is easy to use and requires no assembly.